Hello mga kasakal, it's been a while since our last vlog. So this time around, it's me and my wife's anniversary. Yay! So it's our 17th anniversary as boyfriend and girlfriend. So we still choose to celebrate it every February, primarily because our wedding anniversary is in June. And most often than not, it's raining, we have typhoon. So we decide to celebrate it. And this time, we're going to Nasugbu, Batangas in Punta Fuego.
Not Punta Fuego.
So time check, it's 11:30. So travel time is 2.5 hours. We'll go straight on the road. Medyo cutting it short na nga kami actually. And hopefully, hindi kami malik sa 2 p.m. check-in. We'll see you on the road. Bye-bye! Alright, finally we are on the road. So we just left the house. It's time check, it's 12:04 p.m. According to Google Maps, travel time is 2 hours and 21 minutes. So by that time, or considering that time, we'll be missing our 2 p.m. check-in. Oh, no! So medyo nalit kami ng alis.
Kasi Jana woke up in the middle of the night, actually in the wee hours of the morning, around probably 2 a.m. actually, after 4 hours of sleep. And then it took 4 hours again before she went back to sleep. So puyat siya. So nahirapan kami gisingin siya. And of course maraming ginawa, so mali talaga.
Okay. So there are two ways to go to Punta Fuego according to Google Maps and some of our friends. One is via SLEX. Okay, so mag-MCX kami and then SLEX and then Mamplasan exit going up to Tagaytay. Because the road I think is not as compared to the other way, which where Google Maps is taking us, which is the Cavitex way, and then going up and then the zigzags. So maraming ahon lusong, but it's 20 minutes faster. So given that we're already late, I have no choice but to go on to the faster route. So we're going Cavitex. We're now in Molino Boulevard. So going to Cavitex. So we'll see you in a bit.
Sungit naman ang itsura mo. Ba't sungit ang itsura ng Jana? Ba't masungit? Sleep. Yes, Jana. Sleepy ka. Sleepy. Sleepy.
Alright, hi again mga kasakal. Time check 2:03. So as projected, late check-in na kami, no? 2 p.m. dapat ang check-in. So I just made a U-turn kasi lumampas kami. Unfortunately, Google Maps is down because my signal just went from 5G to LTE, now down to E. So it's not updated. We need to ask a couple of people here for direction. So sabi nila dito daw yung daan, mas maliit na daan papuntang Club Punta Fuego. We just passed by Puerto Azul and Pico de Loro just a few minutes back, and according to Google Maps it's another 25 more minutes before we get there. So I'm not sure about this way though, because you know, the road. Let me show you. I can. The road is quite stiff. So let's see. Hopefully it's the right road. And I do not need to again back up. See you in a bit once we're there. Thank you.
Wow! Welcome to Club Punta Fuego. We're now heading to our room here in Club Punta Fuego. Look at the view, guys. So beautiful. We have a room with sea view. We're here.
Alright, finally we're here. And I forgot to mention, syempre ang aming theme, maroon, for this travel vlog. And we're here. So,
Hi, nag-hi si Jan. Hindi mo siya
here's our view.
Hi, hi. Hi.
Hi, hi baby. So, just got to our room. Okay. So, we'll do a quick room tour in a bit. So, here's our view. Beach view. Actually, I think it's not. So there's the beach. There's a view, slight view of the club. So we'll check out the place in a bit. We'll just do a quick room tour. Let's go.
It's really a super duper late lunch for us.
Hindi na namin makalimutan mag-vlog. Sobrang gutom.
So yeah.
Well, in fairness guys I don't want to compare, but as compared to the other resort that we went to previously, mas okay yung food. Una, mas mabilis lumating. Mas masarap yung food and the price is quite okay for a resort such as Club Punta Fuego. So good. Bistec Tagalog and sisig.
And then we'll have blueberry cheesecake, which is my favorite for dessert later. So yeah. So we'll see you again later. We're done with our lunch. We're going back now to our casita. Look at the view, guys. Later, we're going swimming. We're gonna go swimming with Jana. Nice naman yung food. Okay siya. Kawawa si Daddy, oh. Ang daming bit-bit. Maiwanan kasi namin kanina yung isang box ng stuff ni Jana. So, we'll see you again later. Pag mag-swimming na. Come on, let's go. Come on, come on. Careful, careful. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. Yeah, you look so pretty today. Let's go, Jana Red. Come on. Oh, you go inside na. Go inside. Let's go inside. Go inside. Oh, knock on the door. Knock. Knock, 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 knock. Open, say open.
Okay.
Please. Okay, open daw. Oh. Open na. Happy. Happy na yan. Happy na because our tummies are full. Kiss mommy. Kiss mommy na. Kiss mommy. Mwah.
Dancing, dancing, dancing. Clap, clap. Clap, clap, baby, clap, clap. Clap, clap. Clap, clap.
Dancing.
Clap,
Ano ba yan?
Bayad mo pa.
Dance nga. Dance nga ulit.
Okay, just a short rest, and then we change, and then we're off to the pool. So, Team Blue. Earlier, we were Team Maroon, now we're Team Blue. Okay, let's go!
We're going to the pool now. Mag-swimming kami. Ayan, ang ganda ng wow! Sunset. Okay.
Go! Whoa!
Swimming! Swimming! Ay, so sabi siya, oh. Ay, you wanna go swim? Okay, okay. Oh, yan.
Happy.
You're happy? You're happy? Huh? Swimming.
Okay, time's up. Time's up na.
Enough na, Jana.
Swimming pa?
Swimming! Swimming!
Oh, swimming.
Jana, let's go na. Enough na. Enough na po. Let's go na. Look at you, oh. Look at you. No, 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 no. Let's go na. No, no. No, no, Jana.
No, no.
Oh, no, Jesus naman. Swimming. Oh.
Uy, bito, kala mo naman kaya niya.
It's 6 p.m. already. Since we took super duper late lunch, after 4 hours hindi na namin mag-dinner, so hindi na namin umahon para ayos na. And si Jana kasi gusto niya pa mag-swim kaso namumuti na yung lips niya. So yun, we decided to go back to our room na.
Tomorrow, we'll swim again in the beach. Tomorrow, baby.
Tomorrow na, ha? Alright, we're back. We're done. Jana and I are done taking a bath. There you go. She's all freshened up. We're just waiting for my husband to finish taking a shower. And then, once we're done preparing and getting ready, we'll rest for a bit and take our dinner. We'll go to the restaurant again and have our dinner na because I think si Jana is super tired na, so most probably she'll sleep early, right? Look at her eyes, so super sleepy. So, see you later.
Good evening mga kasakal. Okay, so we're going back to the restaurant to again eat. So we just ate 4 hours ago and we're eating again. 8:30 is the last call for dinner. It's already past 8. So I have no choice but to already take our dinner. After this, we'll go to the bar on the second floor. Check it out, see what's going on there. Okay, see you at dinner. Swimming pa yan. Energy.
Hi.
Thank you.
Thank you for what? For what?
Okay.
Alright, hello, good evening mga kasakal. So, it's been a very very long day and it's sleeping time. Jana is already sleepy. I hope she's exhausted. She has exhausted all her energy para makasleep na kami ng pahinga. Tomorrow, we'll go to Long Beach. Okay, so today was full day, tomorrow beach and then Italian restaurant by the beach. After we eat breakfast here. Alright. So,
Good night. Good night. Kiss mo na daddy.
okay. Good night, everyone. See you tomorrow, bright and early.
Yay!
Good morning, mga kasakal. Time check, it's 8:45 a.m. Boom po yan. Good morning. So, breakfast is until 10:30. So, just get ready. Very, very quick. And then, get breakfast and then we'll go to Long Beach. So, it's where we will take our lunch later. Okay. Hi, Jana. Bye-bye.
Good morning, everyone. We're now having our breakfast. You want more? Ayan, nasusumbo na siya. Ay, shoot. Ay, bless you. It's hot, Jana. It's hot, it's hot. Mommy will blow it first. Good morning. Good morning, love. Breakfast time muna tayo. And then later we'll go swimming.
Baby, dance, dance. Oh, let's go round and round, round and round. Okay, Long Beach it is. Okay, we're going to Long Beach. This is a buzzer beater side trip. Because it's already at 10 a.m. So check out time is 12 p.m. So we'll just go to Long Beach, check out the place, and then go right back to prep for checkout. Okay? See ya.
Swimming, swimming again. It's time to beach naman. Sand, this is the sand.
Whoa!
Oh,
Yay!
let's go, let's go. Come to mommy. Let's go, come to mommy. Dali na. Let's go na. Swimming, yes, swimming.
Hindi ka saan yung mga pato eh.
Let's go swimming, swimming. Sa beach na. We're now here sa beach, Long Beach ng Club Punta Fuego. Well, obviously, ako lang yung naiiba because parang sila naka-rush card. Ganun talaga. Kasi pag mami ka na, maraming bagay nakakalimutan. So, nakalimutan kong magdala ng pamalit na pang swimming. So, tayo lang po hindi nagpalit. Ulit-ulit tayo. Ang dalawa. Ayan. Kapag palit sila ng pang swimming. So, enjoy muna namin yung beach. Mag-enjoy muna kami mag-swimming and then balik kami later. Because in a couple of hours, we'll check out na. Bye! Gosh. Natinig pa ako. Ouch! Oh. Tinig pa ako dun sa shore. So, be careful pag may mga kids kayo. May mga tinik na nakakalat. So, kawa pag yung kids yung nasaktuhan.
Right, very quick. Male locker room tour. So, okay mga locker room sila. So, this is sa Long Beach here in Club Punta Fuego. So, maayos. Okay. And what I can say is sa mga resort, you know, shower area and then dressing area. Okay? Thumbs up.
Almost there. Jump on. Hey! We made it.
Alright. Always alright. So we're just done with our checkout picture taking. So we're on our way back to the lobby. Mga gamit namin lahat nasa car na. I turned on the car already because it's super duper hot outside. So yan.
Bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Diyan na. Say bye-bye na the vlog. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay. Basta naman, #powder. Lalagkit ng aking mukha. Parang, well, hindi parang. Sunog na naman ang aking mukha. My face really needs lighting. See that? See that difference? Versus here? Oh my God. With not enough lighting. Versus the proper lighting. Okay. So we're going to the mini elevator.
Super
Okay.
so grabe. Jesus. Jesus. You're happy? Are you happy? Ha? You happy? Super swimming ka? Bitin no, bitin.
So the elevator opens at both sides. There you go. Okay, so ready to finally travel back home. See you in a bit. Time for the review. Very quick as we're about to travel back home. So just a few items. Maybe number one, hospitality. I'd say 10 out of 10. The staff were really all very professional, and their tagline here is mabuhay. So they're all saying mabuhay. So I think it's okay. And all nice, very accommodating yung mga staff nila. Second, amenities. I'd say it's not, a 5-star, hotel rating, but I think maybe 9 out of 10. Rooms are very clean. No, unnecessary smell that we observed versus our previous experience with another resort. Complete, and this is what I'm saying from the previous vlog. They have complimentary, water, bottled water, and coffee for the guest, which is very good versus again the previous resort that we've been to na lahat bibilin mo dito. Okay, so appropriate. Food is very good. I can say all lang ng mga kinain namin, including the buffet breakfast. We're very full up to now, and then it's already 12:40. So very good on food. I'd say 10 out of 10. The variants from cereals, even from lugaw are there, tocino, adobo, mixed veggies, up to pancakes, juices, coffee of course is also there. So I'll say complete choices in terms of buffet breakfast. So it's really a 10 out of 10 for me. My only comment during dining, and I'm not sure if my wife will agree, was that there was this one crew who was very, I think, very much wanting to already do his job. So hindi pa kami tapos kumain, nagliligpit na siya, So yun lang. But regardless of that, mabait naman siya. So I didn't feel like I need to deduct points on hospitality.
Coaching lang.
Coaching, kumbaga. Overall rating, love, for Club Punta Fuego.
8 out of 10.
Why 8 out of 10?
Still important, yun nga, yung sa yung sa staff na nagliligpit na even though we're still sitting there sa table. Hindi na talaga yung tayo umalis. And then, I guess, yun medyo, like kanina, what happened to me kanina na kaapak ako na tinek ako sa beach. So siguro, mga safety precautions, lalo na sa kids kasi buti na lang hindi na sa dyan na pinaglakad na. So 8 out of 10. Pero ganda naman eh.
I agree. Also me, 8 out of 10. Why? Same deduction on the maybe on the amenities part. I'm not really looking for anything luxurious, but sa Long Beach na lang. Number one, no lifeguard on duty, and walang mga stalls and food apart from one restaurant who's in front of the entrance. Doon sa mismong beach wala. So not sure if it's peak season kami nagpunta, baka meron, okay, because there's only a few people sa beach. But there, 8 out of 10. But I'd say my one comment here is the food, in spite of it being very good, is also very cheap. So our previous vlog, we billed 12,000 pesos, and that's saan ba yun, love?
Sa Tampeta.
No.
Reka Resort.
Right? So masarap yung food, pero we billed 12,000. Okay?
Yeah, that's
Camp
very
de
cool.
Tanya on the other end, I'm sorry, but hindi na ganun kasarapan yung food. Kapresyo pa ng Club Punta Fuego, which is very much malayo ang difference pagdating sa quality, taste, and even the ambience. So Camp de Tanya, super mahal ng food
Pricey talaga yun.
versus yung quality. Okay? So Club Punta Fuego, we only billed, how much did we bill? 2,000?
2.6, almost 2.7.
Oh, 2.7 for 2 meals, right? 2 meals only.
2 meals lang.
2 meals, okay. So ayun, for 2.5 people. So that's it for this episode of The Married Life. And again, this is our 17th anniversary vlog, and hoping for more vlogs, travel vlogs to come this year, 2025. So I hope you watch for it.
Happy anniversary!
So guys, like, comment, share, and subscribe on this vlog. Yung mga hindi nagsasubscribe dyan, huwag lang kayo makichismis. Guys, please subscribe. Di naman kayo makikilala. Okay? Bye! See you on the next vlog. Okay, pahabol side trip. It's time check. It's 2:26 PM. Marami pa daw siyang pera. So, di pa siya tapos gumastos. Ayan o. May sala rin sa likod. So, after an hour and 20-minute drive, we are at Marcia Adams in Alfonso, Cavite. So, we'll have our late lunch here. Lab,
Janice is still sleeping.
baby is asleep. Okay.
Still asleep.
Bye.
Wow.
Steak like pork chop.
Ang laki, super laki.
450 grams.